Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your contacts on Yahoo Mail. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Yahoo Mail app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, also make sure that you're already logged into the account of which you'd like to delete the contacts of. Now what you can see that on the bottom right corner there's a more option. Tap on the more option and then go to contacts. As you go to contacts, you'll be able to see all of the contacts that you presently have on your Yahoo Mail. Select the particular contact that you'd like to delete. Tap on the name of the contact again, and there you can see that on the top right corner there are three dots. Tap on the three dots. Now after you tap on the three dots, tap on delete. Confirm that you want to delete by tapping on OK, and that is how your contact will get deleted. So this is basically how deleting a contact works on Yahoo Mail. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to delete your own contacts. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.